Buying a home with a homeowners association or HOA comes with both benefits and considerations. So here's what you need to know. First, let's talk about the benefits. Number one, amenities. HOA communities often offer amenities such as a pool, gym, parks, enhancing your quality of life. Number two, maintenance. The HOA typically handles common area maintenance, including landscaping and exterior upkeep, saving you time and effort. Also, having a master insurance policy could lower your personal homeowner's insurance. And number three, community. HOAs can foster a sense of community through organized activities and through regulations that maintain a neighborhood aesthetic. Now, here are some things to consider. Number one, fees. HOA fees are mandatory and can vary widely based on what amenities and services are provided. So you'll want to be sure that those fees fit into your monthly budget. Number two, rules and regulations. HOAs enforce rules governing property appearance, renovations, and behavior. Number three, governance. HOAs are run by an elected board that make decisions that affect the community. Consider getting involved so that you have a say in community matters. And number four, resale restrictions. Some HOAs impose restrictions on renting out your property or making exterior modifications, which could affect resale potential. So before you buy a home in an HOA community, be sure to fully review the rules, the fees, and the governance structure to make sure that it fully vibes with your preferences and lifestyle. While HOAs offer benefits, it's important to weigh them against the potential limitations to make the best decision for you.